Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So today will be the first attempt at starting our 59 flat top here. We haven't done anything to the car besides just clean it up. You guys can refer back to my past videos if you're just now joining the channel. I bought both of these cars as a package deal from an elderly gentleman in Oceanside. He was a surfer and he always drove these cars to the beach, and that was absolutely proven because I found buckets of beach sand in the back of both cars in the trunks. It was kind of funny. But like I said, he used to be a surfer and he would take these cars to the beach and they were just his cool cruisers. He is elderly at this point and just couldn't mess with them anymore, so he parked them. Rumor has it that both cars were running 2 years ago, and so hopefully these are just going to fire right back up. Like I said, we've been charging our battery all night long, so we're just going to pour a little bit of gas in it and see what happens. Thank you guys so much for joining the video. It's just me and my dad today. My boyfriend got called into work, so he'll have to see it later on tonight. But as always, guys, thank you for supporting the channel, watching what I do. Let's see if this baby will fire up. Doesn't look too bad. So as everybody has seen in previous videos, the interior on this baby's pretty shot, but that's an easy fix. So with key and ignition, we'll see if we have any movement of gauges here. Yep, we have generator light, so our key is on. And as you can see, the gas gauge kind of just went, woo, it went all the way to full. So pretty sure that's not accurate in the least, but oh well, who cares? Let's see if we can just get her to turn over a little bit. And she does. Beautiful. All right, so I'll take you guys back up underneath the hood and I'll film from there when we actually fire this baby up. So obviously we have checked all fluids. Oil is nice and full. Our radiator here has nice clean, you can't see it now, but I was trying to flashlight down in there, clean green water in it with lots of antifreeze, so we're good there. It's also very rare that the glass bottle on this car is not cracked. Actually, both cars, the glass washer bottles are still good. Those are very rare pieces. Usually those are the kind of the things that get broken first. Obviously so, since they are glass. So anyway, yeah, all of our fluids are good and our battery's charged, so we're gonna try to fire it up. All right, here we go. You ready?
Yipper.
She's running. She ran for a second.
Try it again. You don't know if the carburetor's full or anything.
Yeah.
What's the gas gauge say?
All the way full.
Go ahead, I'll try to keep it running. Just idle it.
Bump that starter. Should I pump the pedal or even bother with that?
If there's gas, the bowl probably should be full by now. If the fuel pump's working. I don't think the fuel pump's working.
Sure it's not.
There's nothing in the glass. Here it comes now.
exhaust sounds absolutely terrible, but she runs, and she runs good. That was so easy. We've literally done absolutely nothing to the car. We just poured some gas in it. You're still plugged in. Here we go into gear. She's idling quite high. E-brake is on. I set the e-brake. Release it. No, it's that knob. That button. That. A really geeky little horn. Yeah, she runs like a champ. I'll get the e-brake off. You don't know how to do that?
Yeah, you push a little lever, but it won't come off.
Oh, shoot. I guess I shouldn't have done that. Great. We'll hit the button. It should. There we go. There we go. You gonna try to move it? All right, hang on. Let me close the hood. Let's get the battery charger out of the way. Hang on. All right, we're moving her for the first time. We got brakes. Got good brakes. Really good brakes. So that's way better than what we even expected. Runs, drives, moves. Now it's my turn. Huh? All right, very, very happy with that. Goes into all gears, stops very well. She runs like a champ. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. I cannot believe that the 59 did as well as it did. I never expected that. I thought that it was going to maybe fire up, maybe an idle a little bit. I thought things might be, you know, dried out, carburetor dried out, you know, fuel pump, things like that. But it did absolutely amazing. So I'm going to just fire it up for you guys one last time. Now that it came down off of fast idle, it sounds so much better. But she just fires right up. So any potential buyers, that should make them very happy. There we go. Okay, everybody, happy Sunday from Caddy Girl Garage. Thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed evening. Somebody just got off work and wanted to try his luck too.